Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to today's session. It is 8 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 10 minutes. So, if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so because this session comes every day. And do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you will get notified. And for the PDF of this particular session, you can get it from our Telegram channel. So, make sure to join that too. With that being said, let's start the session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is firm. Firm means strong and steady and not likely to change. So, something which is very steady in its state. So, if you apply force on it, it's not going to change that quickly. So, it is very strong and steady. Here, the image will make it very clear. Here, you could see this is a rock. Okay, there are two rocks basically here. So, these rocks are firm, and if you apply force also on it, it's not going to change. So, it is strong and steady, and it's not going to change that easily. And here you could see some pillows or cushions which are soft. So exactly opposite of firm. Let's go to the sentence. The sentence says she kept a firm grip on her mother's hand. So she kept a strong grip on her mother's hand and she was not letting it go. The synonyms here are stiff, hard, rigid, unbending and unyielding. And the antonyms here are soft. Also, yielding is another antonym for this. Okay. Next word for us is scramble. Scramble means to move or climb quickly but with difficulty, often using your hands to help. Okay, so if you're trying to climb something and you're using your hands to climb that, whenever you're also climbing any wall or some kind of rocks, here you could see in the image as these two people are climbing and they're using their hands to climb. Okay, so this is known as scramble. Here, the sentence is people stood up and began scrambling for the exit. So, they started moving very quickly towards the exit. Synonyms here are climb, clamber, swarm, scrabble, and you have ascent. Here, clamber is different, and I'll star mark that. And antonyms here are order, organize, arrange, regulate. Next word for us is venture. Venture means a project which is new and possibly dangerous because you cannot be sure that it will succeed. So you start a new venture, you start a new project, and the possibility of it not succeeding is more. Therefore, it is dangerous, or you could say it is risky. So whenever talk about venture, it means that the chances of success is not known, it is not determined, therefore it is little bit risky or dangerous. Okay, the sentence here says now in his first solo venture he faces a daunting task. Okay, in his first solo venture, so it is his first project where he's facing kind of problems here. Here you see a word daunting. You gotta tell me the meaning of this particular word daunting. What does this word means? Let's see how many of you guys know the meaning and how many of you are actually awake and are listening to it. So let's see how many of you are awake while watching the session, and you're gonna tell me the meaning of this in the comments. I'll be waiting for that. The synonyms here are deal, endeavor, enterprise, experiment, and investment. And the antonyms here are sure thing, protect, shelter, guard. So there is nothing dangerous here. Next word for us is resolve. Resolve means to find an answer to a problem. So you're trying to resolve something. So you're trying to find the answer to a particular problem. The sentence here says most of the difficulties have been resolved. So whatever difficulties were there while we were doing the task, they are almost resolved. So almost 80% of the task is done, which we are also trying to do for your exams. Okay, so we are planning on providing you most of the stuff so that most of your difficulties which you feel regarding the exams are solved. Synonyms here are crack, fathom. Fathom is also different, I'll star mark that. Antonyms here are unresolved, undetermined, and hesitant. Next word for us is permissive. Okay, permissive means habitually or characteristically accepting or tolerant of something as social behavior or linguistic usage that others might not approve or forbid, that others might not approve the kind of behavior that you're doing, which might not be very acceptable in the society, which other people would not accept. Okay, so you're doing that kind of showing that kind of characteristics or have those kind of habits. Here you could see in the image, okay, there are two parents, okay, here the father and the mother you could see, and they're treating their kid as a king. So they are accepting whatever commands the kid is saying or whatever things he's asking for, they're just giving it to him. So this kind of parenting, most of the people will not accept it. The society is not going to accept this kind of behavior from kid and this kind of parenting also from the parents. Coming back, the sentence here says he had quite a permissive upbringing. So he had a different kind of upbringing which other people might not accept. Synonyms here are flexible, informal, lenient, and accessible. And antonyms here are strict, rigid, formal, or decorous. Decorous is different, and I'll star mark that one. Next word for us is perpetuate. Perpetuate means to cause something to continue for a longer period of time. So you do something that this thing which is going on, something which is already being, in the process of going on. So it keeps on going. Okay. So it happens for a longer period of time. Here the sentence is every year parents continue to perpetuate the myth of Santa Claus. So every year parents in their younger kids, they try to continue this myth of Santa Claus always exists. They try to create all those kind of things in their house also. They'll try to leave cookies, they'll try to eat it themselves, they'll try to surprise children with presents, and they'll say that Santa left them. So they're trying to perpetuate that kind of myth. They are trying to keep that myth going on. Okay. The synonyms here are commemorate, celebrate, and immortalize. And antonyms here are annihilate. Annihilate is also different. I'll star mark that. Next, we have the word for the day, which is sight. You're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comments. Make sure to participate. When all of you guys participate, it gives me the feeling that this session is actually useful. You're also enjoying it. So please do participate. And if you did like the session, do hit on the like button. I know it might not mean a lot to you guys, but it does mean a lot to me if you hit the like button and there are a little bit few more likes than usual. And lastly, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. With that, I end the session here. Thank you for watching.